Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have an electric sprayer, and this is 8 liters, 2 gallons. And this is what it looks like here. So this is it here. It came with the strap, came with everything. This here is screwed into I have kind of assembled it already, put some water in it. But it comes with this little cap here to make it easy to fill. It's just a huge open cavity in there to fill it with. And then this one here has a little probe in the bottom. I'll show you that here in a second. So this little probe here, it's got like the stick, so that sticks all the way down to the bottom to suck out the liquid from. So this would be good for if you're spraying some things on a weed sprayer, plant sprayer, just anything, a bug spray around the house, whatever you need. And then it has this little tube here, and then here, this is the motor here. So this is where it's gonna pull it. It's rechargeable here through USB-C, and it came with the USB-C charger for it. Push the button to get the water out. That's just sending out water. We have a wand to make it go longer. So actually, I don't know if I want to do that for the demonstration, but we can go out that long. It'll make it nice and long. But for the demonstration, just because we're close to the camera, we're just gonna screw the devices right onto it. So just remember, it can be longer. So this one here is probably need to screw it on better, but here you go. It's got a big mist to it. It's a big misting one. And remember, it'll work better. Screw it onto the end of the other thing. We have this one here, which looks like it's gonna put out a flat kind of spray. It's because the little rubber gasket came out for this thing. Well, I'm just gonna do it here. Okay, so then there we go. Here's the flat spray. That's that one there. Keep switching around for the other things. Let's see. So we did that one, and then we have this one here, which looks like it's gonna be more of a wider spray. And that one there just sprays everywhere. Oh, screwed up very tight. There we go. And that just sprays a whole wide spray, a lot of sprays. Might be good for like a bug spray one or spraying the flowers or something like that, because it's a really good broad one. So we have all those different spray nozzles, and then we could connect it up through here, which is the ideal way of connecting it up. And then, whoops, you see when it's coming through there, when it is there, it doesn't, when it's coming through like there, that way it's not leaking or anything. So really cool little device here. And looks like you can unscrew it here too and make it different lengths, but really nice. I like it. So I'll be using this to spray probably for bugs, to use my bug spray that I kind of mix up and do rather than having to do the pump. So I like it. Thumbs up.